Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about understanding how credit scores work. Let's get into the video. Most credit scoring models such as FICO and VantageScore consider the following factors. One is payment history, which is 45% whether you pay your bills on time. Secondly, credit utilization, which is 40%, the amount of credit you use compared to your total credit limit. Thirdly, length of credit history, which makes up 15%, how long your credit among accounts have been open. The fourth thing is credit mix, which is 10%, the variety of credit types you have. For example, credit cards, loans. The fifth thing is new credit inquiries, which makes up 10%, the number of times you apply for new credit. Improving your credit score quickly often focuses on payment history and credit utilization as they have the most significant impact. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.